Welcome to Basic Searching Principles. In this quick video, I will be covering the basic searching principles you need to know in order to develop a basic search strategy. The link provided on this page will take you to the UWA LibGuide on how to compose a search. Think of composing a search as a 5-step process to develop efficient searches. The first step when composing a search is to break down the question or topic into key concepts. In this example, we are going to research the topic Domestic Violence Prevention Programs. In this case, we have 3 concepts. Concept 1, domestic violence, Concept 2, prevention, and Concept 3, program. The synonyms you use are the words that you think an author might use. For example, in Concept 1, some authors might use family violence as opposed to domestic violence. What you're doing is basically creating a thesaurus of search concepts that you can use. Before I show you how to combine your search terms, you need to first understand what Boolean operators are and how this can affect your search. By the way, if you're wondering what the word Boolean means, it's just the name of the creator of the system, George Boole. Basically, there are 3 Boolean operators: or, and, not. Or is used to combine synonyms or words with a similar meaning together. For example, using or will search for any resource that contain either concept A or B. And is used to combine concepts together. For example, using and will search for resources that contain both concept A and B. Not is a subtraction operator. For example, using not will search for resources that only contain concept A. Now that you know what the basic Boolean operators are, we can start combining our terms. If you look at the table, all terms under Concept 1 should be combined using the or operator, and the same goes for Concept 2 and 3, which will sort of look like this. Now, in order to combine the 3 concepts, you use the operator and. Your search string should look a little like this. As a side note, if you find that you are not retrieving enough results, then you need to simplify your search by reducing the number of synonyms. On the flip side, if you are retrieving too many results, then you need to add more synonyms to your search string. You can refine your search with the use of truncations and the wildcard. A truncation is a searching technique that broadens your search to include various word endings and spellings by replacing the ending with a syllable. In the example, if you use truncation on the word inject, you will retrieve any variation of the word after the letter T, such as injection, injecting, injector, and so on. The wildcard, on the other hand, is used as a sort of placeholder and represents a single character. It is usually used where words have a different spelling. For example, the word anemia is spelt differently in American English as it is to British or Australian English. Be aware that different databases may use the same symbol as shown here, but it may mean something else in their database. If you're not sure, please check their help or search guides because this can negatively affect your search if you're using the operator incorrectly. As a tip, be careful with truncating too soon, as it can have disastrous consequences. For example, if you truncate BAB* in order to get baby and babies, you will also get results for baboons as well. So think about what you might pick up in order to avoid irrelevant results. To refine our search, you may choose to truncate the word program to retrieve results that include the plural form or alternative spellings of the word as shown in this example. The reason we use quotation marks around searches that contain more than one word is so it will be searched as a phrase, with the 2 words appearing together as opposed to appearing separately in a resource. Brackets are used when you want to group and order your search, such as grouping the same concept. Last but not least, Please make sure that you are reviewing and refining your search string. Remember that some words will retrieve irrelevant results, so you may have to continuously tweak your search string until you find the concepts that retrieve resources related to your topic.